Through the summer, this is a very still and peaceful place. And now there are little hints of yellow up in the top of the trees. And just over there is a little movement on a branch, and I know it's a squirrel, and he's collecting up beechnuts. Oh, there's another one. And going off to store them for the winter. And last night was a clear sky. It's a beautiful blue sky today, sun is shining. Last sky was a clear night and the temperatures dropped. And there's a real sense of autumn on the way. And and the sound has changed. In the summer there's just a kind of a buzzy kind of bee insect kind of silence. But now, apart from a raven cawing in the background trying to get me to talk to him, it's just things falling, just the odd leaves are falling down, and beechnuts and acorns, just a slow pitter-patter which will soon turn into almost of a rain of leaves and nuts and stuff. Chestnuts are pretty thin on the ground this year. Obviously something happened earlier in the year. It wasn't obviously wasn't the best time for flowering or something like that. There are two ravens. They're talking to each other. Actually, they're not bothered with me today. One's going, and the other one's going, oh, oh. They're quite distant. You probably can't hear them. I suppose I could just set this camera up on a day like this and record a couple of hours of it and put it on YouTube as ASMR. There's a plane in the sky. I'm not sure what that is. I find it hard to get to know forest bird calls because you never see the birds themselves, so you can't put the two together. There's a tweet, tweet, tweet that way, and there's a tweet that way. Oh, what's that? Yeah, there's another squirrel over there. They're just dropping. Just a constant pitter-patter of beechnuts. I think maybe a motorbike in the distance. I know some people just put my videos on when they're drawing, so if that's you, here's a couple more minutes of silence. Another aeroplane. And a helicopter. I don't think there's anywhere that's really quiet. An anechoic chamber. Perhaps I should see if I could go and draw in one of those one day. No, it's just a little single-seater aeroplane. Well, this is a bit weird in the middle of the forest. He's a tree person. Made out of a Danone yogurt drink bottle. I just spotted another. It's got clothes on. And it's not just beechnuts falling out of the sky. Well, there we go. Thanks for watching. If you've got any other ideas for silly videos like this that I could make, let me know. Put them in the comments box down below. Make sure you are subscribed to Shoo Rayner Drawing Channel and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos and just sitting around listening to nature videos and stuff like that. You take care now. Bye bye.